match officially underway. We should see quite the fight from her in this one.
Oh yeah, she's proven that. For better or worse, she's not the type to give up easily. Some call it stubbornness, but she believes it's absolute resilience.
She's definitely not the type to give up easily, that's for sure.
Across the ring, she's facing one of the most dominant superstars in the women's division today. A superstar who's taken her opponents to hell and back nearly every time she steps into the ring.
Escape just in time.
Counter after counter. Angle exploder suplex.
She's enduring some damage.
She can withstand the punishment, though.
She's staying elusive. Look at this, just
What a barrage of stops. And if the first stop doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will.
nasty kick.
Kick after kick after kick.
Oh, man.
Nice gut wrench suplex. Looking for an early pin, and she kicks out.
Trying to get this over with pronto. Evades their offense.
Oh, impressive counter.
These two trading counters, an absolute masterclass. Tide-altering powerbomb. What an answer that was. A stalemate of counters.
Watch her set up in the corner.
Tiger fake kick.
Re-entering the ring now.
Kick to the gut. Hoisting up there. A powerful pump handle slam.
Watch these strikes. So precise.
Oh, we're going to see more. Around the ropes. 619. Springboard drop kick.
Takedown.
Rolls through.
Oh, man.
That was creative. Oh, saw what was coming and answers with the clothesline. She avoids the contact.
Great job refocusing to reverse that. Reversal after reversal.
Face buster.
Man, picture perfect execution.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of.
Big maneuver, executed perfectly, but still was not enough.
Denied with an elbow. Quick exchange, reversing the reversal. Back elbow smash, nothing fancy.
And now she has the sturdy upper hand.
Yeah, she's really being the aggressor lately. Suicide tornado DDT. That is the attitude of a daredevil. The ability to take risk with minimal.
From the apron.
What a moonsault.
Incredible athleticism. Just exhibiting their fearlessness.
Exhibiting guts and accuracy as well.
What's she waiting for? She's looking more focused on gesturing rather than winning. And back into the ring she goes. She needs to stop saying she's going to bring it and actually deliver on the promise. She manages to get control. Able to sidestep it.
Falcon arrow. A rope step.
Oh, straight to the floor.
Tempted fate and paid dearly for it.
That haphazard approach definitely proved costly. Ooh, suplex.
Saw that one coming. Took advantage.
Feed off the WWE Universe. This place is starting to rock.
You can sense what her intentions are here. Springboard drop kick.
Back in the ring now.
Forget about pandering to the WWE Universe. That should keep her head in the game.
2 count, and she's still in the game.
It was almost all over for her.
It does not get much closer to 3 than that.
The best shot was thrown, but it couldn't put this match away. Oh! Boom! Look at them go! Incredible!
Where's the superstar finding this?
Kicks in the corner. Speed and precision. Double knees. Good night.
Uh-oh. Scattered it and fired back with a punch straight to the face.
One reversal after another. These two are reading each other's minds.
Sunrise!
This place is going insane!
The ground beneath my feet is shaking.
She's got an answer for that.
Counters on counters. Technical prowess on display.
Head and arm lock!
Arm trap suplex.
She's got her in her sights.
Jumping cover.
Counter flush.
Cover. 2. Oh, kick out at 2.
Within inches of victory, only to have it snatched away.
This match just keeps getting more and more exciting.
You got to give a lot of credit here, withstanding what has taken out many other competitors. Double stomp to the back of the neck. For the win. 2. No, she kicks out.
She just will not go away.
Oh, and a reversal.
Half suplex. Lights out.
And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver.
Listen.
Up and... It's a wrap. That's gotta be it.
There's 2.
Incredible power to kick out at just 1.
And you see a perplexed look now.